What's the meaning of big end? Big end. Big end.
Big end. Big end. Big end is a term that typically refers to the larger end of a connecting rod in an internal combustion engine. The connecting rod connects the piston to the crankshaft, and the big end houses the bearing that allows the rod to pivot around the crankshaft. The term big end is used to differentiate it from the smaller end of the connecting rod, which connects to the piston. The big end is subject to greater forces and stresses than the small end due to its position and size. Therefore, it is often designed to be stronger and more durable than the small end.